Here at Westfalia, we're passionate about products that enhance your adventures, and this great bike rack is no exception. Whether you're on a family day out or a grand tour, this rack will provide a safe and secure addition to your kit list. This bicycle rack is perfectly designed to make use as smooth and efficient as possible. But to ensure safety and avoid any damage to your vehicle or bike, we're going to run you through some great user tips. Always make sure your tow bar is suitable for the bicycle rack attachment. Once you've done that, you can place the rack on the tow bar. You want to align the rack laterally, horizontally, and vertically. Push the clamping lever with a force that complies with 35 to 45 kilograms until it engages like so. Now you can lock the clamping lever and pull out the key. Put the plug into the bushing on the towing hitch and rotate it clockwise until it engages. Make sure to keep this cable away from the exhaust and road. Loosen the 2-star knobs for the mounting bracket. Then flip up the mounting bracket and tighten both knobs, like this. You can now fold out both the light clusters and pull out the wheel supports until they click into place. Easy. Now it's time to load your bikes. Release the ratchet straps on the wheel holders. Always place the heaviest bikes closest to the vehicle first. Put the bike onto the wheel rails and push the wheel supports up to it like so. Open the bicycle clamp by rotating the Tommy nut. Press together the bicycle clamp to open the mounting bracket clamp. Now you can attach the mounting bracket clamp onto the A-frame. Once you've done that, put the bicycle clamp around the bike frame. Turn the Tommy nut to tighten the bicycle clamp around the bike frame. Use the key to lock the clamp. Wrap the wheel straps through the tyres and secure using the ratchet system. For the second bike, sit it in the opposite direction and attach using the same procedure. Done, and you're ready to roll. If you need to access your boot at any time, you can do so with ease. Pull the lock upwards. Then, whilst holding the weight of the carrier with one hand, squeeze the release lever with the other and pull the carrier towards you. To close the carrier, lift until it clicks back into place. I hope this guide helps you get out on your bikes safely and stress-free. See you on the trails.